Good morning, friends. Welcome back to our construction site. Can you see the big construction truck on the road? Wow, it looks so busy today. I wonder what is inside this truck. Do you think it is carrying bricks, construction vehicles, or something special? Let's take a closer look together and find out what's hiding inside the construction truck. Are you ready? Let's go. Wow, friends, the big truck is opening. What construction vehicle is hiding inside? Can you guess before we see it? Look, it's a road roller.
Yay!
Hello, road roller. The road roller is rolling out very slowly. Roll, roll, roll. Can you say road roller with me? Road roller, road roller, road roller. Wow, look who's coming out now. It's a dump truck. Beep, beep. The dump truck is rolling down the ramp. Can you count its wheels with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job. Little builders, you counted all the wheels perfectly. Give yourselves a big clap. Look, another construction vehicle is coming out of the big truck. It's an excavator. The excavator is rolling down the ramp very slowly. Can you see its long arm? Now the excavator is parking on the road with the other construction vehicles. Great job, excavator. The construction team is getting bigger and bigger. I wonder which vehicle will come out next. My little builders, can you guess which vehicle will come out next? Let's see if you're right. Wow, look who's coming out now. It's a cement mixer truck. Round and round goes the mixer. This busy truck helps builders make strong roads and buildings. Can you spin your finger with me? Round and round goes the mixer. My little builders, can you spot the mixer? What shape is it? A circle or a square? Great watching. Little builders, let's see which construction vehicle comes out next. Look who's coming out now. It's a front loader with a big scoop. This strong construction vehicle is ready to help move heavy materials around the work site. Up goes the scoop, down goes the scoop. What a hard-working machine. The front loader is parked and ready for today's big construction job. Our construction team is getting bigger and bigger. I wonder which exciting vehicle will come out of the truck next. Let's keep watching. Little builders. Wow, little builders. The last vehicle is coming out now. It's a forklift. This strong forklift helps lift and carry heavy loads around the construction site. Up, up, up goes the forklift. Down, down, down it comes. Lifty, lifty up. Tippy, tippy down. The forklift is having lots of fun today. And now all our construction vehicles are out and ready to work together. My little builders, are you ready for a big construction surprise? Let's go. Hey, little builders, can I join your team today? We have some heavy loads waiting to be moved. Let's work together and watch our construction vehicles arrive one by one. Beep, beep. Here comes the forklift. It's ready to help move heavy loads and keep our construction site busy. Look who's coming. It's our digger friend. Chug, chug, chug down the road. Diggy, diggy. Scoop, scoop. Here comes our happy digger. Wiggle, wiggle. Chug, chug. Let's get to work. Look who's rolling down the road. It's our strong dump truck. Rumble, rumble. Vroom, vroom. Here it comes. This hard-working dump truck is ready to help the construction team move heavy loads around the site. Keep rolling. Little dump truck. The construction adventure is just getting started. Look who's here. It's our strong dump truck. Rumble, rumble, vroom, vroom. Rolling down the road and ready to help the construction team with another big job. Beep, beep. Here comes our front loader. Roll, roll, roll down the road. Its big bucket is ready to help move things around the construction site. What a busy little helper. Look who's coming. It's our happy road roller. Roll, roll, roll down the road, making everything smooth and ready for the construction team. My little builders, our cement mixer is getting ready for work. Let's add some little stones and give the mixer a big spin. Round and round it goes. mixing everything together. Are you ready to help our construction team today? Up, up, up goes the forklift. The forklift picks up the boxes and carries them safely to the side of the road. Beep, beep. Great job, little forklift. My little builders, can you count how many containers the forklift moved to the side of the road? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Look, little builders, here comes the dump truck and its friend, the wheel loader. The wheel loader scoops up the blocks, and the dump truck carries them to the construction site. What a hard-working team. Scoop, load, and carry. Let's build together. My little builders, look, the dump truck is unloading the blocks at the construction site. Oops, a block is on the road. The excavator is here to help. Wow, little builders, the dump truck and excavator have been super busy today. They loaded, carried, and unloaded blocks again and again. What a hard-working construction team. Great job. Friends, you helped make the construction site look amazing. Look, little builders, our helper wheel loader is here. Vroom, vroom. It's ready to help clean up and move the blocks. Oh no. Little builders, a block is on the road. Here comes the wheel loader to save the day. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Great job. The road is nice and clean again. And the wheel loader moved all the blocks off the road. Now the construction site is ready. Let's get back to work. Little builders. Look, little builders, here comes the mixer truck. It's carrying little rocks for our construction site. Tip, tip, tip. The mixer truck is unloading the rocks. Great job, truck. Look, little builders, the road roller has started its work. Roll, 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 making the road nice and smooth. Wow, you helped place the little rocks along the side of the road. What a smart idea. And look at those blocks. You put them in just the right place. Now everyone knows where to drive safely. Wow, little builders, you did an amazing job today. The road looks neat, safe, and beautiful. Give yourselves a big clap, clap, clap. Wow, little builders, you did an amazing job today. The road looks great. The blocks are in place. And all our construction friends worked so hard. Now it's time to go home and rest. The trucks, diggers, and loaders are feeling tired after a busy day. One by one, our construction friends are heading back into the big truck. Good job, everyone. See you next time for another construction adventure. Little builders, if you love today's adventure, don't forget to like, share, and follow our channel. Bye-bye, my little builders.